we're going our own little transport tour. Our goal is to get to Chatuchak. It looks like there's no tuk-tuk, so we're gonna have to wait a second. Part of the trip is with the tuk-tuk. Saudi Krab! We go into the Bangkok traffic. Is the SkyTrain, also called BTS. We're going from Chitlam and going to try to figure a way to get to Sukhumvit. This is the SkyTrain running above the ground in Bangkok. This is not the one we're going with, we're going the other way around. Our train is coming. They come very often, very frequent, probably with a 2 to 5 minute interval. They're here all the time. Let's go grab the SkyTrain! The train is very comfortable and is air conditioned as well. So and quiet. So it's really nice and it's really easy to take, like subway in most of the bigger cities in the world. SkyTrain, you have a wonderful view of Bangkok, and so it's also a really great way to see and experience Bangkok. You can get almost everywhere with the SkyTrain, so I deeply recommend you try it. The SkyTrain, you tap your ticket. This is the ticket. When you exit, for these tickets, they eat the ticket. So let's try it. So now we are here almost at Chatuchak. We saw Chatuchak from the air when we were riding in. So now we will just have a small walk over there. There's also a nice park, it seems, next to here. I don't know if we can enter it, but let's have a look. So here's a standard bus stop. Everyday people here, monks, normal people waiting here. We'll just have a walk and see where we end up. And welcome to Chatuchak Weekend Market. We have arrived at the Chatuchak Weekend Market. It's Friday, it's 11 o'clock in the morning, and most shops are not open yet. They're preparing to open for the weekend market, and the reason why we're here at this time is simply because it's much more quieter. You'll still find many shops open, so don't sweat it. But the optimal time to go here is around 6 o'clock in the evening. There'll be plenty of shops open, or in the weekend, Saturday or Sunday. This part of the market is a lot of food and drinks, and at a really affordable prices. Some noodles here will set you back around 60 baht, which is, in my opinion, absolutely nothing. Actually, the fruit shake we just had was 50 baht. So yeah. Anyway, this is a great place to go for a little food, and we just had some shake. So now we are moving on to the next part. Walking on Chatuchak Market. Everything looks normal, but there is something you should know. In one corner of the market, in western point of the market, or northeastern point of the market, there's an animal market behind Chatuchak. So we'll go there and see if we can find it. So walking in Chatuchak Market, all of a sudden, if you're in the northeastern corner, you'll see something entirely different. It looks like any other market. Everything looks normal, but you just need to get past this. Next to Chatuchak Market is JJ Mall. And just behind JJ Mall is the animal market. Behind JJ Mall you'll find this market, and just keep walking along the street and you should at some point see the animals. That's not wrong. So here you have an Arowana mall, only for Arowanas. Wonderful Arowanas. So 35,000, 25,000, really beautiful animals. Very beautiful animals. $45,000. Very beautiful fish. So you should really go here if you're looking for arowana. This is really the way to go. This one is 680,000 baht. So around 20,000 US dollars. Wow. What beautiful fish. Impressive. Truly impressive fish. These are somebody who really knows what they're doing. I am truly in awe. These are really, really nice fish. Wow. Have something different from arowanas, but truly beautiful fish. Down the street you will see large bags of fish just standing on the ground, and this is the beginning of the market. Should you need a goat, that is available as well. They have everything here. Animals, fish. Discus fish. fish that have beak like a duck. So many interesting fish. Turtles. Even big turtles. And huge turtles. So many stuff to be had. First break of the day. Mango shake. Yay! And the fish are just lying here in bags on aquariums behind you. You can get every possible thing you want. Pumps, big air pumps, anything you need. Let's have a look what is here. Also, aquarium plants. Blackfish, black ghost, neon. For 100 baht. It's really cheap. Are you into pond fish? Well, there's also that option here. So here's pond fish swimming in a circle. Toys. More toys. Loads and loads of toys. Really beautiful fish. Cichlids of all kinds, shapes and colors. Some here from Tanganyika. Tanganyika cichlids, most of these. Malawians, Arowana, many more fish. Guppies. Mixed guppies of sorts. So these are colored fish, not permitted in Denmark, but they're really nice. But you can always argue over the concept of should they do it or should they not.
Đấy con nhớ mấy ông ha, con nước lệ gì đó, nó về nói đó, có vậy, tham ao đây. Chỉ có thực hiện đến này là
gjort tidligere. This is glowfish.
ทีละ100เจ้าหรอเอาจะปล่อยอยู่ลายลายงูเหมือนกัน
Wow, det er flot.
มันเหม็นยังไม่ได้อาบเลยมันก็ช่างเล่น
Wow. Prøv at se de der egern. Det er cute. Egern.
Hvad er det?
Egern. Så er de søde. Really nice. Kameloner, prøv at se. Nice. Hå? Hvad det er mus. Det er slanger. Nej, ikke. Guppies. All kinds of shapes of guppies. What I'm trying to find is someplace where they have pure guppies. Here I have lizards. Over here. Rats.
Er det hårdt?
Det er mus i hvert fald. Birds. Hold nu op, Pusse. De kan ikke hoppe ud af buret, vel? Marsvin. Guinea pigs. Guinea pigs. Rabbits. Rabbits. A rabbit is 24 Danish kroner. Lizards. Lizards. Snakes.
Du har fået en gris.
Ja, det er en gris.
Ja, vi tager på. More shops. So many shops. The fish, shrimp, and equipment. So many fish. Rabbits. Plenty of rabbits. A few rabbits. So many rabbits.
birds. I can hear birds everywhere. Loads of birds. Many birds. And out here is fish as well on the street. It's a good idea just to walk the street because there's some really good offers to be had. Let's just go and have a look. All mixed guppies, mixed. See the bird talking to the other bird. They are all talking. Let's go in again to the market. Beautiful fish. And these are bread, so we have Chinese lettuce on the side. This worms. Want a worm? Cockroach, crickets, frogs. So back to the birds. Guinea pigs, rabbit, lion head rabbits. Lizards, snakes, turtles. Til bilerne skal der. Musene. Søvnig mus. Finally, my wife seen how big a rabbit can become. It's like a dog, like a big dog. That's a big rabbit. If we compare it to a small rabbit, which is our size rabbit, to the bigger size rabbit, there's like 10 rabbits to that rabbit. Really big rabbit. And we are back from Chatuchak. This is my aquatic haul from Chatuchak. I bought a lot of plants, some pumps, food, some nice shrimp nets, and some tiger guppies and some full black guppies. Also some tanks to have them growing while we're at the hotel. A few days here until we go home to Denmark, and I'll repack them. Anyway, so this is what we got out of this, and I hope you enjoyed our trip to Chatuchak. Welcome to like and subscribe, throw a comment, anything. But most importantly, have a great day.